Hey guys, today we're working on missing numbers. What I'd like you to do is grab a partner and take turns filling in the missing numbers. So it'll go like this. Obviously there's some numbers that are already there, and then let's say you're going to go first, so then your child will fill out this number, and then whoever their partner is will fill in this number, and then your child will fill in this number, and then their partner will fill in this number, and then go all the way down to the bottom. This one right here that says number 2, this one you're going to have your child fill out all by themselves for homework. So hopefully the practice for number on the last slide will have helped them know all these numbers, and then this one they'll be able to do all by themselves. There's another worksheet for practice filling in missing numbers that looks like this. This I just took a picture of the very first page, but this is actually a stapled packet with multiple pages in it. And what your child is going to do is they will look here, have them read the numbers, and then try to figure out what number is missing. And then all they do when they figure it out is circle it. And then they go to the next one, they figure out what number goes here, and they circle it. They'll go through all the pages figuring out what number is missing and circling it. All right, it's time to set our timer for 3 minutes and see if you can solve even more math problems on this sheet than you did the day before. You can do it.